Hello everyone, welcome back. We will tie the hairs on the sides by making the plaits. Join all the hairs, make the plaits on it and fold it upward. Fix it using the hair clips and it's ready. Next, fix this beautiful hair ribbon or the band on the hairs. Now, to fix the ribbon on its sides, we will make the plaits on the hairs from the top like this. Take the hairs in the lining ways to join the hairs. Fix it properly till the end. Watch the technique very carefully how we are fixing the hair bands using the ribbon and the hairs like this on the sides. Tie it properly. After that, we will join the hairs on the back like this. Fix it. Now, tie it in a shape of a bow and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the side like this and make the plaits. Now join it on the top, fix the hairs properly like this and then tie it beautifully and it's ready. Next, make the hair plaits on the sides and fix it on the back. Now make the plaits by dividing the hairs, put this beautiful hair accessory and it's ready. Now make the plaits on the sides like this after dividing the hairs, tie it and fix it on the top like this and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this by dividing it. Make the hairs on the sides and fix it by making the ribbon on it like this. Fix the ribbon by making the plaits on the hairs. Now fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it properly and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides in the small section like this and then rotate it using the hair styling tool. After that, make the plaits on it. Now take this tool and fix the hairs in the between of the plaited hairs. Now make the plaits on it like this. Now after joining it, we will join the hairs on the back. Fix it using the hair clips like this on the sides and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs in the front like this and tie it. Now again take the half section of the hairs and join it by making a ponytail. Fix the ribbon on the hairs and then fix it by making the plaits like this. Now after making the plaits, fold it upward and make a bun out of it and it's ready. Thanks for watching a video.